This is what we've been doing for over 10 years. We have 2 AC units, this size and another. This is the 20 by 20 by 4. I think the other one is maybe 20 by 16 by 4. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we buy these in bulk from Amazon. Saves a ton of money compared to going to the big box stores. They come in, I take this up into the attic, and I will pull one out, get my Sharpie, put the date on it. So like today I'm gonna install these. So let's say I'm gonna install this one here. I'm gonna put my date on there. Today is, let's see, what is today? 21, I think. Anyway, put the year, of course. But anyway, put that in, and I'm gonna put this entire box upstairs into the attic. And so every time I need it in the future, I just gotta grab one and pull one out. So Filterbuy, this is the brand that I've chosen. Let me back this thing out. There you go. This is the brand I've chosen. I actually go with the 8 MERV. You guys may have a different plan, but my thought is, and what I've been told by my AC HVAC guy, is that if your filter is too thick, it's actually straining your unit. It's gonna take some of the life off of your entire unit. So I go 8 MERV, but we also have an indoor air purification system. So I believe that this is gonna get all the big stuff out. I might take it up to maybe 10, but long gone are the days that I'm doing 13 anymore because it strains your system so much. Do a little research on it, you'll see. There is a time and a place for those, but a lot of time that actually causes an additional damage and you're paying for it. So I go 8. This brand has been great. We've probably been using this brand for 10 years. And again, just stick the whole box up in your attic. And then when you need one, you just climb up in the attic, pull the next one out. And then when you put your last one in, make your new order. And of course, in your iCal or whatever you use for your calendar, put in there that like a 3-month reminder so you never fall behind. So these are fantastic. Again, they're all different shapes and sizes, but this is the one we use, and that's our system. Hope that helps.